Hello Windows users, this is the software tutorial for your laser welder camera. So you're lucky, it's a little bit easier for you than the Mac users. You will only need one software. This software is called AMCAP v3.1.0. I will supply a link to it. So this is a webcam software. Right now we are seeing what that camera is seeing, what the computer camera is seeing. So first thing you will have to do is to click on devices, webcam. So now the webcam is connected through USB and we are seeing what the webcam is seeing. Now you see the image, it's very green, it's pretty bad. Right now there is something called auto white balance active, so we can reset this auto white balance by just I just put my hand on the lens, and then when I take it off, this resets the auto white balance and it's now almost okay. Problem with this auto white balance is that it keeps changing, so now it looks okay in a few minutes, especially after especially if you show to the camera something yellow, something polish, it goes from green to yellow to white to it's not stable. To fix this, it's very simple. I like to do this. So you need to click Options, Video Capture Filter. This panel comes up, and you want to disable white balance, automatic white balance. Now automatic white balance is disabled. Let's also see automatic exposure. I think we can disable. Yes. And you can also play with brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness, blah blah. Maybe gain. You can. It's a little bright, we can maybe reduce gain. So once you are happy, the most important thing is that to disable white balance, and the other one, what was it? Automatic exposure. You click apply, and this sets it to the webcam. Sometimes, so if you disconnect the webcam now, I'm not sure it will remember the next time. On some computer yes, on some computer no, so you maybe have to do this every time you connect your webcam. But yeah, you're ready. So now you can also capture a video. So record a video, you click capture, start capture. I want to save it in laser cam. Ready to capture. When you click OK, it will start to record. Yes. So do whatever. When you want to stop it, ESC, and that video it's automatically saved here. So what we just filmed right there. Easy enough. Let me know if you can make it work. Let me know if you have any problem.
Maybe post the results on the Facebook page, Laser Welder Camera Project, and also any problem you might have, just post it there so that everybody can see it and we can all work together and make this even better. So have fun. Let me know how it goes. Bye.